Hi guys, it's me Paul again, and today I've got this laptop from Freecycle. So this is a Asus laptop, basic view as you can see, and this came in from Freecycle, as I said, from somebody, and said it wasn't working properly. Now I've already seen that the keyboard has been bashed about, so they've tried to get into this, which I've now got into it myself. And it still works, the screen still works and everything. So what can you do with a broken laptop with a broken screen hinge that's loose? You can basically test your hard drive in these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hard drive in, which is, this is a Samsung, let's have a look, this is a hard drive card, 64 gig SSD. So it's just basically a hard drive, and this has got Windows 10, so I've downloaded Windows 10. So let's see if this actually works. So first of all, let me put the camera down. I'll put it about there. Let me just hold it up or something. Now, take off the keyboard. There we go. Let's just do that. Now, when I open this up, I noticed that this machine has been opened up before. So first thing I notice is the barcode here has been ripped off. The fan works here. Then I noticed this clip is missing a extra thing, like a flipper. So this is how it came. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this hard drive card in there. So what I'm going to do is slot that in. I think it goes that way. Yeah, it does. So doing this one-handed. So let me, I did it before, I got it in there. Oh, come on. I got it in there before. Oh, come on. There we go. And then just push in. No, there we go. There we go. Now that should just sit there. Now I just got to get this keyboard back on, but as you can see it's a bit warped because somebody forced it. So there we go. That's what I've got to do. So let me just lay that on top. I'll just alter it. So first of all, I just need to get this ribbon. Okay then guys, so all I've got to do is get that ribbon, not this small one, this big one, and then gently feed it in, bring that down. Now I can't really see it there. And then what I want to do is get this tape. I don't want to pull it too much. Get out of the way, you tape. Don't want to move this. See, that's the thing, I can't get my hands in there because it's too close. And then I just need it there. And then this one, you just flip that up. I don't want to pull too hard, otherwise it will come off again. And then just slot it in behind there somewhere. Can't really see what I am doing. And then just tuck it in. Okay. And then just plug this in. So back in a minute. Okay then guys, so now I've got the thing in. It's now on. So let's fire it up. So let's just turn on the power button there. There we go. And there we go. Now it should start Windows 10. Okay. Okay. So basically that's what I did to the machine. Very straightforward. Okay. And that should just fire up. So yeah, that's what you can do with a laptop with a broken hinge on the screen, which is just in the corner there. So hopefully that should be alright. And then I should have Windows pop up. Oh, it's just a stupid email. Get to that in a minute. Well, and I got a text as well from somewhere. Do that in a minute. And now Windows 10 should pop up. There we go. Now I've just created this Windows 10 for somebody. So it now should just pop up. So yeah, this hard drive was in another machine and it had Windows 7 on it. So it wasn't really registered or anything. So I then went to Microsoft and got Windows 8. Got that exactly the same way as this. And then I downloaded Windows 10 straight afterwards. And it took about 4.5 hours just to complete. So yeah. And it should just pop up, and there we go. There we go, it's got all the weather updates and everything else. And there we go. Don't know if you can see that, guys. There we go. So don't throw away your laptops when they're broken like that. So yeah, easy, piece of cake. So yeah, thank you for joining me, guys, and I'll see you guys soon for another Freecycle video. Bye for now. Feel free to make any comments, likes, subscribe, and I'll check in with you guys soon.